Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through how to add your location to your status on Messenger. Let's dive into the steps. 1. To begin, open Messenger on your device. This will take you to the Messenger interface where you can access your conversations and stories. 2. Next, tap the Stories tab, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will enable you to create a new story to share with your friends. 3. Select Add to Story to start composing your status update. This action will bring up the editing tools for your story. 4. Tap on the text icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to add text to your story to provide context for your status. 5. Then, tap the sticker icon on the right side of the screen. This will give you access to various stickers and icons to enhance your status. 6. Locate and tap the location icon to add your current location to your status. This feature allows you to share where you are with your contacts. 7. Once you've customized your status with the location and are content with it, tap Share Now at the bottom right to publish it to your Messenger story. By following these steps, you can easily add your location to your status on Messenger and keep your friends informed about where you are. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enhance your Messenger status with location sharing. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.